Hello everyone, welcome back to Result Bharat official YouTube channel. TS SSC Hall Ticket 2025 Telangana for class 10th student has released now. Now you can download your hall ticket in your mobile. In this video, we are going to discuss how to download step by step. So watch the video till the end. Firstly, you have to open Google or Chrome browser and search here exam. The spelling is EXAM, exam, Sarkari, 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 result, 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 INFO, info, exam, Sarkari, result, info. With same spelling, exam, Sarkari, result, info. There is first website is open, official website of exam, Sarkari, result.info. Click on it. Now there is an option of download admit card. Click on it. Otherwise, scroll down and come into the section of admit card. There is first update of TS SSC Hall Ticket 2025 Telangana out. Click on it and you can read all details about TS SSC Hall Ticket, exam date and other details. Otherwise, come into scroll down and come into the direct important link section. There is option of download SSC Hall Ticket 10th class. There is two link updated. You can download, click on link 1 or link 2. Link 1, click on link 1 or link 2. Now this interface is open. You can download your according to your hall ticket, regular, private, OSSC, vocational. Click on it as per your choice. I want to download regular hall ticket, so I click on regular hall ticket download. Now you have to select your district name to download your hall ticket. Firstly, select your district name, select your school and name, and select here there is date of birth. Correctly date of birth select and download. Click on download hall ticket and click on download hall ticket. Now your hall ticket is downloaded. You can download it, print it.